In this video, I'm taking on the ultimate challenge of starting a YouTube automation channel using nothing but artificial intelligence. From script writing, video editing, and even voiceovers, we're going to have the entire process streamlined and completely automated so I don't even have to lift a finger to post these videos. So can we make money by cheating the YouTube system, or is this just another viral scam? Let's go ahead and find out. So picking your niche on YouTube is probably one of the most important steps, because if you don't know what you're talking about, then nobody else is going to want to watch your videos. So 3 tips that I do recommend to you is pick a niche that you're really interested in or you know a lot about. Pick something that you know has evergreen and long-term potential, or something that generally just has a lot of traffic and is obviously trending. And for me personally, I kind of need to go into the self-improvement niche, so that's what we're picking. So I asked ChatGPT for 5 different YouTube channel names, and I really like Improvement Pill, so we're gonna run with that. And for branding, we're gonna go ahead and use Midjourney to create ourselves a profile picture. So I just asked for a masculine man looking into the sunset, so I'll get back when it's done. All right, so as you can see right here, Midjourney did generate us a really good variation of profile pictures that we can use, and the second one is really catching my attention, so what we're going to do is click on version 2, and then it's going to upscale it for us. And this is what we're going to use for our channel. All right, so we've created the channel, and as you can see, it looks really good with our name and our profile picture, so I think we're set on the branding. All right, so as you can see, we're about to ask ChatGPT for 5 different video ideas for our YouTube channel, so let's go ahead and see what it gives us. All right, so I've asked ChatGPT for a few titles, and I didn't really like it, so I asked it for looking better, because personally, I like to look better. Everybody does. So the title that I'm going to stick with for our first video is The Ultimate Guide to Perfecting Your Skincare Routine. And the way to get a really good outline for your YouTube script is to ask the exact prompt, write an outline for a video script on, and then your title, and then it's going to give you a really good detailed outline. And once you have everything outlined, all you have to simply do is ask it for a YouTube script type of sound, and then it's going to go ahead and generate you a full script, which you can copy and paste. For our voiceovers, we're going to be using 11 Labs. I will leave a link in the description down below for this tool. It is extremely scary, and it is very, very accurate, so we're going to go ahead and see what we can do with this. All right, so I want to go ahead and give you guys a bonus tip. Make sure you choose any voice that you want, preferably a man. Put the stability to around 40 to 50%, and put the clarity to 100%, and then simply copy and paste the script that we got from ChatGPT, and you're ready to go. The thing I really love about 11 Labs is that you can make the voiceover sound extremely realistic by adding some dots and periods and some exclamation marks to obviously make it sound like someone's actually breathing in and breathing out. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this, and I'll get you guys back when I'm done. All right, so make sure you add some customization to your script, and let's go ahead and see exactly how it sounds. All right, so once you've generated your entire script, all you got to do is click on the free download button right here, and then you get it for absolutely free. All right, so for the tool that we're going to be using to actually create the visuals for the video is going to be Studio ID. I will leave a link to this in the description down below. It's extremely scary how people can actually look like they're reading this out. So again, it's very cool, and it's absolutely free to use. So what we need to do is click on create video right here, click on the person. I'm going to choose high quality because this guy can actually go wide full screen, and all we have to do is go over to the audio part, click on upload your voice, and we just enter the voiceover right here, and then we're absolutely done. All right, so once you've clicked generate on the video, all you got to do is just give it a couple of seconds, and it should be ready to go. And believe it or not, there are a lot of TikTok and YouTube channels that actually do use this tool itself, and they do have thousands of subscribers. So we're going to be trying and seeing if this actually works, because I've been seeing so many people actually use this tool. All right, we're going to watch this together, and let's see how it looks. This is good. Of course, this guy literally looks like he's moving, like his arms and his hands are moving around like one of those flies. This looks good, and even his skin looks clear too, so this is the perfect example. And the coolest part about this is that you're actually able to make the background green, so you can put this in a green screen and then put whatever background that you want, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to be using the white background. I know that this entire video was going to be me actually using all bots to make the video, but editing with AI is not officially a real thing yet, and honestly, I don't want people chopping it up for it to sound and look like absolute crap, so we're going to go ahead and do that ourselves, but besides that, everything else is going to be automated. All right, so of course we can't just put in the video, put some captions, and call it a YouTube automation video. We obviously have to have some graphics. So for the next website that I'm going to be showing you, it is an extremely cool site that not a lot of people have been talking about, and it's called playphrase.me. Now what you can actually do is search up an exact phrase that somebody said in a movie, or if it's from your favorite movie and you want to just show a general clip, all you have to do is just simply type it in, and it's going to be showing you the exact thing that you can copy and paste into your own videos. So for example, when I talk about somebody looking musty, all I did was type in "you look gross," and it gives me a movie caption right here. And then once I do that, all you got to do is copy and paste it right onto the video, and we're good. All right, so I made this video, and here's what it looks like so far. honestly, there's a lot of potential that can go into these types of videos, especially when you're trying to be funny and just honestly make someone laugh with this, but at the same time, obviously make something out of it. So again, for the captions and the background of the video, it doesn't look that good, but of course, if you get more into the editing work and obviously the general format and visuals, then you're obviously going to be able to make a really good high converting video. All right, so for thumbnails, we cannot exactly generate them completely through AI, even though we can use some sort of backgrounds through Midjourney, but something that I really found very useful and helpful for me to actually create a real life thumbnail for my own YouTube automation channels is using ChatGPT to ask exactly what you should put and exactly how you should put it. So watch this. Give me an exact blueprint on what my All right, so I asked ChatGPT exactly what I should do to put in a thumbnail for it to be popping and get a lot of views. So we're gonna go ahead and ask it. And again, it is as simple as knowing the psychology around what somebody wants to see and what somebody doesn't want to see. So ChatGPT literally goes into exact detail on exactly what to put in the thumbnail, such as putting the high quality image of the person, a vibrant color palette, incorporate text, and some really other cool graphics. So I went ahead and went over to canva.com, which you can create a free thumbnail template from. So as you can see right here, this is the thumbnail, and I think it looks really good. So we're going to go ahead and upload this into YouTube.